Hello student, in this video I will give you the solution of question number 8, exercise 1.2. Your question is, let A and B be two sets so that F from A cross B to B cross A such that it's here you should have F, okay, F of AB is equal to BA. I miss one F here, is bijective. Okay, so your question is, the F is a function from A cross B to B cross A. That means F is a function from the Cartesian product of two sets A and B. It goes to the Cartesian product of B cross A. That means the order is changed here. The position of A and B and A are changed here. So our first aim is to take two elements. First we have to show it bijective. Bijective means first we have to show it that this is 1, 1. And then we have to show it that this is onto. If 1, 1 and onto, then our conclusion will be F will be bijective. So in the previous questions, we see that our function is a function from real number to real number or natural to natural. That means from a single set to the single set. But in this case, you have a Cartesian product of two sets. So in the previous cases, we take two elements, say x1 and x2 in the domain such that their images are equal. But instead of x1 and x2, here we have to take an element in A1, A cross B as say x1, y1, x2, y2 or say AB, A1, B1 and A2, B2. So I am taking here the function I have defined here by f of AB goes to B of A. It is change position is. Okay. So we take two elements A1, B1 and A2, B2 in A cross B. How to take it? Such that their images are equal. That is f of A1, B1 and f of A2, B2 are equal. Now you have to use here the definition of f of AB. And we have to show it that A1, B1 is equal to A2, B2. That is our aim. You remember your aim. Okay. Now, F of A1, B1. How it is defined? AB goes to BA. So, A1, B1 will be equal to what? B1, A1. Similarly, F of A2, B2. A2, B2 is equal to what? B2, A2. The position will be changed. Now, you see, here we have got two ordered pairs are equal. So, by definition of equality of two ordered pair, what is the conclusion we can give? The first element is equal to the first element and the second element is equal to the second element. Because your aim, you remember, you have to solve A1, B1, not B1, A1. So I am writing here B1 is equal to B2 and A1 is equal to A2. Now we form an ordered pair as required. A1, B1, I just put A1, B1 as our ordered pair. Then in the place of A1, if I put A2 because they are equal, and in the place of B1, I have put B2. That means we got A1, B1 is equal to A2, B2. So you see, you start with f of A1, B1 is equal to f of A2, B2 and we arrived here A1, B is equal to A1, B1 is equal to A2, B2. So your conclusion is f is 1, 1. Okay. Now the second part of the question is you have to show it that this is onto. So for onto, we have to take an element in the codomain. We have to show it that there is an element in the domain such that under the function f of suppose that element is equal to the, this is element present here is the pre-image of this one. Okay. So we take an element in the BA. B, small a we are considering it. Let us consider it as small b, then it is easy for us to understand that B belongs to B and A belongs to A. So we are taking an element here. Let BA belongs to B cross A. Be any element. Okay. So here you see, if BA belongs to B cross A, then obviously we know B belongs to B and A belongs to A. But this is the definition of by definition of Cartesian product. First element is from the first set, second element is from the second set. That's why I am written it. Then B belongs to B and A belongs to A. Now we form an ordered pair as required. So if B belongs to B and A belongs to A, then can you form an ordered pair AB? So let us form an ordered pair AB. So obviously it will be belongs to B, A cross B. Okay. So we have seen here for every element BA in B cross A, we get an element AB in A cross B. Then obviously by definition f of AB is equal to BA. Okay, this is by the given definition. So your conclusion is what? F is onto. Now lastly one line you write down, since f is 1, 1 and onto, hence f is bijective. This completes the proof. Hope you understand. Thank you.